How to restore deleted highlights and feature collection on Facebook app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can restore a highlight that you may have deleted accidentally on Facebook. If you have ever found yourself in this situation, don't worry. I will guide you step by step on how you can get your highlights back. So first, let's head over to the Facebook. And once you have opened the Facebook, simply go to the Facebook profile. And under the Facebook profile, you will see the highlight section. And under the highlight section, you may see my highlights. Now let's take a closer look. Now I will click one of them. For this video, I'll be deleting and restoring this highlight. Now let's simulate deleting a highlight. I will tap on highlights, then select delete feature collection. And once I confirm, the highlight is removed, and let's wait for the moment, and now it's gone. So how do we restore it? Now here is the process. To restore it, simply tap on the three dot icon and after that tap on archive. Now on the archive section, you will see the option called story archive. Simply tap on that. Here you will find all the pictures that have been deleted from your highlight, and these are all the images that were part of your highlights. And if you don't see certain picture, it possibly mean that they weren't a part of the highlights, but everything saved in your archive will appear here. Now, to recreate the highlight, you simply need to go back to your profile and click on the plus icon to create a new highlight. You will see your camera roll and stories. To view all archived stories, click see all and select the image that you want to include. And that's it. You have successfully restored your deleted highlight. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.